Let me introduce the machine to you. This is our automatic axis laser welding machines. About the machine, we also call platform laser welding machine because of the platform style. The machine can weld some small dimensions and precision workpieces. You can take a look. And the machine we can quickly to fit the workpieces here.